Beneath the surface of our world lie truths nature never meant to reveal. Welcome to Hidden Truths of Earth. What if an animal could regrow its heart, its brain, or even an entire limb? This is not a concept from science fiction movies. It is a biological reality happening right now in the natural world. Meet the incredible axolotl, easily one of the most extraordinary and scientifically fascinating creatures currently existing on our beautiful planet Earth. The axolotl is a highly unique amphibian species that is exclusively native to the ancient, winding canals of Lake Xochimilco, Mexico. For centuries, indigenous civilizations revered these remarkable aquatic animals, weaving their mysterious existence into ancient mythologies and deeply rooted cultural traditions. Unlike most traditional salamanders that eventually transition to land, axolotls possess a bizarre biological trait ensuring they never fully grow up. They remain permanently locked in their juvenile larval form throughout their entire lives. A fascinating scientific phenomenon formerly known as neoteny. Because of this rare condition, they permanently keep their beautiful feathery external gills, their fully aquatic lifestyle, and their youthful bodies. They are essentially the Peter Pan of the animal kingdom, forever young and perfectly adapted to their underwater environment without changing. But their permanent youth is only the beginning of their story. Their most shocking biological ability is something far more extraordinary. In the harsh reality of nature, injuries happen constantly. If an axolotl unfortunately loses a limb to a hungry aquatic predator, it does not simply heal over with a scar. Instead, it miraculously grows a completely new, perfectly functioning limb from scratch. The biological process is absolutely flawless. Bones, muscles, nerves, and skin all regenerate with astonishing precision over just a few weeks. Once the incredible regeneration process is fully complete, the brand new limb is completely indistinguishable from the original one it lost. But the magic does not stop at simple arms and legs. These creatures can regenerate almost any vital part of themselves. They can flawlessly rebuild crushed tails, severed spinal cords, shattered jaw bones, and even incredibly complex layers of delicate eye tissues. Most astoundingly, if their heart is severely damaged, they can regenerate the missing heart tissue without any loss of pumping function. Scientists have even documented axolotls successfully regrowing significant portions of their own brain after experiencing severe and otherwise fatal neural trauma. How do they achieve this? During regeneration, their local cells actually transform backward into a powerful repair system known as blastema. This specialized mass of stem-like cells multiplies rapidly, dividing and organizing to rebuild the exact missing body part almost perfectly flawlessly. Unlike human healing, which relies heavily on fibrous scar tissue to patch wounds, the axolotl leaves absolutely no scars or defects. Humans can heal minor cuts and scrapes, but we completely lack the biological machinery required to regrow complex limbs or organs. So what exactly makes these tiny amphibians so genetically different from us? The secret lies hidden deep within their massive genome. The axolotl genome is absolutely enormous. It is approximately 10 times larger and vastly more complex than the entire human genome. Inside this massive ocean of DNA lie the powerful, hidden regeneration instructions that brilliant scientists are only just beginning to understand. Dedicated researchers around the globe hope that studying these unique amphibians could one day unlock unprecedented and revolutionary human medical breakthroughs. Imagine a future where doctors could apply these genetic secrets to successfully treat devastating spinal cord injuries in paralyzed human patients. These discoveries could also lead to groundbreaking treatments for severe organ damage, allowing human hearts to heal perfectly without fatal scarring. Ultimately, unlocking the axolotl's genetic code might give humanity the miraculous ability to trigger genuine complex tissue regeneration in our bodies. However, there is a deeply tragic irony surrounding this incredible animal. One of Earth's most resilient creatures is facing total extinction. In the wild, these magnificent axolotls exist exclusively within the rapidly shrinking network of canals located in Lake Xochimilco, central Mexico. Massive urban expansion from the surrounding metropolis has severely encroached upon their fragile natural habitat. destroying the delicate aquatic ecosystem balance. Severe water pollution from industrial waste and untreated agricultural runoff has completely devastated the once thriving and healthy wild axolotl populations. Furthermore, the careless introduction of invasive fish species, like large carp and tilapia, created unnatural predators that aggressively hunt axolotl eggs. These invasive predators have decimated the next generation of axolotls, pushing the native species dangerously close to the absolute brink of extinction. Today, the International Union for Conservation of Nature has officially classified the wild Mexican axolotl as a critically endangered amphibian species. Strangely enough, hundreds of thousands of axolotls currently exist safely within secure scientific laboratories, specialized breeding facilities, and private home aquariums. They are bred extensively for vital medical research and have become incredibly popular exotic pets for aquatic enthusiasts all around the world. But in their natural wild habitat, they are rapidly disappearing like ghosts. The original wild population is now tragically close to zero. Thankfully, passionate local conservationists and dedicated scientists are working tirelessly to restore the degraded canals and build safe, protected aquatic refuges. They are reviving ancient agricultural techniques, using traditional floating gardens to naturally filter the polluted water and create safe axolotl sanctuaries. These crucial conservation efforts bring a small glimmer of hope that the wild axolotl population might one day successfully recover and thrive. It is a profound paradox. Here is a magical creature that possesses the biological power to rebuild its own body almost endlessly. Yet, despite its miraculous biological immortality, it simply cannot survive the catastrophic environmental damage that careless humans cause to its fragile world. The incredible story of the axolotl serves as a powerful reminder that our natural world holds deeply profound and incredibly valuable secrets. These are biological secrets that could completely revolutionize the entire future of human medicine and alleviate countless forms of terrible human suffering. We stand on the threshold of unimaginable medical breakthroughs, all hidden within the genetic code of this tiny, smiling, underwater Mexican amphibian. But we can only unlock these life-changing medical miracles if we actively choose to protect these magnificent creatures and their habitats. If we allow the wild axolotl to vanish entirely from the Earth, we lose a vital piece of our planet's biological heritage. We would also lose the magnificent biological blueprint that could one day teach human bodies how to heal themselves from devastating injuries. Conservation is not just about saving a cute animal. It is about preserving the incredibly complex library of life on our planet. Every single species holds a unique genetic story, a billion years of evolutionary problem-solving encoded deeply within their living biological cells. The axolotl has spent millions of years perfecting the absolute ultimate survival mechanism, conquering physical trauma with its miraculous cellular regeneration abilities. From its permanent childhood to its flawless healing, it remains one of the most mysterious and beautiful anomalies in the entire ecosystem, inspiring future generations of scientists, biologists, and nature lovers to look closer at the magical aquatic world hiding just beneath the surface. We must ensure that the story of the Mexican walking fish does not end in tragedy within the murky waters of Xochimilco. Through dedicated global awareness and immediate local action, we can guarantee that these phenomenal creatures continue to swim in their ancestral home. The master of regeneration deserves a chance to regenerate its own population, securing its rightful place in the intricate web of life. Nature always finds a way to survive, but sometimes, it desperately needs our conscious help to protect its most precious, vulnerable masterpieces. Thank you for exploring this amazing creature with us today. Until next time, keep discovering the hidden truths of Earth with us.